Hello my wonderful people, now welcome back to my space. So now your get over for today's video. I want to unbox the things when I buy from Nigeria. My people, things they did enough for Nigeria. For those of you now who want send Christmas money, I bet more send block because it's not easy for that place. All these things when I buy, so if I tell you how much it be, you yourself go shout. Plus the money we take claimer, we take claimer, not be here, na block. So I just bring now this Ghana must go, this big Ghana must go now. Now they take bring her come for me, so I can't bring everything come outside one by one. I can first open now this fish. I just feel put the fish first, just pack am, pour am put for train. See, a lot of things dey inside this bag. So now the one where I feel film, now I go show. Now the ones where I no fit film, I just, in fact I never still open some. A lot of things see the way beside I never still open. I just pack them back inside that Ghana must go bag. The things where I know say no spoil, I pack and put for inside. The things where I know say go spoil, I just throw and put for inside freezer like that because my sister, I want faint. The work not be here to the unbox, the open, and the way they tie the things they come from Nigeria, not be here. They'll package them with cellophanes, with they'll call you sellotape, wrap it them. All these things. So they buy egusi come for me. The egusi na two type, one blended one and two with the no blend. They still buy me ogbolo, one blended one and one with the no blend. They buy me Visitor Plus. This Visitor Plus, I really need them for my house. Very important. So I buy 2 cartons because I don't want me to finish. This one carton they reach me a year before a year for 1 carton. So now I just buy 2 cartons and they expire. They take a long time for they expire. So they do different type of leaf come for me. They do oziza leaf, they do pumpkin leaf, they do scent leaf, ibeweria, iboziza, and if I not remember the English name, I will talk on ebin, ibamuho, different type of scent leaf. All those are our Nigeria leaf now, all of them complete. So this one are dry crayfish where they not blend. So now one of that rubber now they buy for me, and one rubber of the one where they blend. So my mom and my sisters, they just buy and me be say go last me well like what I talk just now. The things many, not be everything I open for camera because I can't tire. Man, no go fence. I just suffer, just do the one I feel do, just leave the rest. So even bitter leaf, they still put bitter leaf. So you get a person will be say they do these things for Nigeria, you go do one, then you go pay them, you go give your family, you go bring and come. So all this one, so now the grounded things, now be this one like grounded pepper. I not just bother to open, I put them back because me and pepper will not be friends. Grounded crayfish, grounded ogbolo, grounded egusi. Now they just be all this one, I not bother to open them, I just put them back inside for there because I want just put them inside freezer the way it be, so I not feel shut, I not feel stress myself. So this one, so now uri mama buy full bini of oreo for me. This oreo 3 years it never finish. I remember the last one I see they use, so now 2 years plus they go. So you know even big reach this one and rub. This one na pepper with the no grand, one rubber. This one na for banga stick. This one na soya spice. This one na oziza seed. This one na pepper soup spice. This one na what be this one again? I open another melon again, like many. I just come across this one. So all this one are spice. The ones with my hand, each other one see all these spices. They boil meat, they cook jollof, whether they cook all kinds of food inside that bag, different type. The ones with my hand reach now I bring come out. The rest are your package and put for inside Ghana must go back. I can't go and keep myself. This one I see another type of peso spice. Maybe say I dey like. My mother always buy me this one. I like them. This one so na curry. This curry na ogbonge. So this one na chicken glory. Yeah, when I kitchen glory, I don't know again. This in fact spice, all type of spice just full inside this bag. I not feel even put the finish. That bag where they dance na spice full now. So the ones with my hand just finish. All this one so now I just say okay, I just do the video. Make I showcase see the things I get. Why last see the ones will be saying my hand I feel break come out. The others I just leave inside the Ghana must go. I not feel call this I can't tire. I need to cook. We need to eat. before we sleep, So see the rub and the oreoyo. This oreoyo na full Benin. This one go last me 4 years plus, not be years. If it's that plus, all these ones just dey important. I have to breathe, they come outside. The other ones I package and back because I no fit just come the on bus. I not get that time, I beg. So I need to cook. We need to eat. So see the fish, see the crayfish, see all the leaves. All these leaves, so I bring and come outside because why I need to dey use them. I need them. Let me bring and come outside. The other things will be I no open, I don't need them now. So that is it for today, guys. I'll see you all tomorrow, my next video. Bye bye. Please like, subscribe, and share.